doing a whole entire stuff. Alright, I'll come back once hit level 10 or maybe even 15. That's better, right? Doing good so far. Oh no! Alright, boys, we are level 20 now. We're full 20 out of 20. Alright. Oh, he just instantly died? Please give just to him. Oh, you guys are missing him. Oh, there you go. I'm just trying to make it to level 20. Jesus Christ, what is this lag on, bro? I don't lag this hard. Or look at the ads, bro. Ads make it super laggy. Screw ads, boys. Oh my lord. What? Doesn't even matter, boys. My duck. My duck. Yeah, let's go, duck. Come on, you're a duck. And you can fly, bro. You'll have like special abilities, bro. Or a special duck that no other duck has. Alright, keep on flying, boy. I need these points. See, you could be level 20. I could only work on being level 20 for swimming for 30 freaking hours. Oh, there it goes. Oh no, I missed the pink. That was perfect. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, we're not dropping down, boys. Who said we're dropping down? I'm missing every single. Alright, please, hit me with the pink. Someone hit me with the pink, bro? Hit me with the pink. Oh, I almost dodged that. Oh my lord. Please, hit me with the pink. A pink will be perfect. Alright, can I get up to like 1,000 maybe? If I can, then I'm gonna be level 20. There you go. There I hit the pink, bro. You see, I'm telling you. If you hit the pink right away. And there you go. I'm off. I'm not touching the keyboard anymore. Show proof. Got my hand up in the air. Not even touching the screen. And my bird's gonna die. 3, 2, 1, he's dead. There you go. Let's see what level he is now. If this doesn't make it a level 20, I don't know what is. Yeah, oh my lord, bro. I just have to get to like 500 maybe. It's not even that hard. Oh, I just missed the pink, bro. Screw me, that could have got me up to like 100 already, bro. Oh man, screw me, I suck at this game. Oh man. Let's go, you're pink. Oh, I missed the second pink. Oh, damn it. Oh, I missed the third pink. Oh man. I'm getting like so many pinks, but I'm not even hitting any. Why are you guys having the corner? I'm not in the corner. Jesus Christ, bro. Oh my god. Jesus. No, my bird is left. Yeah. For some reason this looks like poop. I just missed the purple. Screw you guys. I'm not touching the keyboard. And I'm still flying up. It's gonna go down a couple seconds. And there you go. 460. This is probably gonna make me to level 20, right? There we go, boys. We're level 21. Fine. We're level 22, boys. 22. All we need now is trans. How do we do this? It's gonna take years too. Oh my lord. I'm gonna try WASD. Bro, like, what do you do? I don't even know if you can keep on it. Oh, I don't know. No, 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 no! What are you talking about? Alright, now I know how to do it. You gotta hold it. And... No, I don't wanna die. I died at 25s. No, I'll see you guys once I'm freaking level 10. This one, please. This is something so sad. I actually made it to level 20. Ooh, I'm 21. We're swimming. Freaking gold, man. Figured out how to do it. Just click on this person. Go. He probably doesn't even have a lot of energy. Energy is 9 energy. I'm gonna boost him up to like 11 energy. One, two. Get up here, you duck. Oh, what is... Yeah, eat that. Eat that. Just one more and that's it. We're going into the challenge. Let's see this freaking challenge. Go! If I'll give a ticket if you can beat me, because it's gonna be coffee one. Alright, here it goes. Oh, who's winning now? Huh? Easy. Easy, bro. Doctor's one. Uh-oh. Time to go through it. I don't know. Why bring me over to here? Ready? I already won this guy, so I don't care anymore. I want to put some energy. Come here. Stop it. Izzy. It's energy 23. Jesus Christ, you still have a lot. Oh, start, bro. We want you. Please, 2, 1. Alright, let's go, go, go. Come on, talk on this. Oh my god, he's already in freaking first. Come on. You're in first place. Come on, let's go. Let's go. He gets the first one. Let's go. He gets the first game, bro. Second one. Go, 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 fly. You know how to fly, boy. You've been flying for years. You're the best flying in the game, bro. Come on, let's go. Run, 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 run. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Now this one's all about flying. This one's just spinning right now. Energy like crazy. Scared. Then I gotta fly. Oh, please get there in time. You got this. Oh my god, it's so close. Oh, he barely made it with a barely an amount of freaking energy. Oh my god, bro. We won. Jesus.